Hi guys, I hope all are doing good. Today we are here to discuss some of the coding problems which are asked in Tech Mahindra assessment in earlier test. Uh, we all of you know that Tech Mahindra is going to hire some more people in upcoming months. The coding problems which were asked in Tech Mahindra coding assessment are so simple, guys. If you have basic knowledge of any coding language, either Java or Python or C++, anything, it will be very simple to tackle this coding assessment. Uh, Here is a question. Welcome. First of all, welcome to our channel. Crack it. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on a bell icon for upcoming updates from our channel and join in our Telegram channel. Guys, here is the question: the finding the maximum difference between the adjacent sides. The question is very simple, guys. Here you begin with the one array and the size of the array. Just you need to find out the what is the difference between the adjacent elements, and you need to return the maximum difference. That's it. Here is the input one is the length of the array, and input is the array elements consist of 10, 11, 7, 12, etc. He given a clean explanation over here. If you read these explanation, you get to know what you need to do and what's your output. So that's it. First of all, you need to find out what is the difference between the adjacent elements. Then you need to return the maximum difference. That is the our task need to be done. So this is very simple. Let's go for the coding. Guys, I have written sample inputs and sample output over here. These are sample inputs and these are our output. Logic is so simple, guys. First thing is what we need to do in our program is so simple, guys. First of all, we need to find out the difference between the adjacent elements of the array. Then we will append those difference into one separate list, and we can find the maximum difference from the list. So that's so simple. For that, our first step is to create a one empty list, and we will append the all differences of adjacent elements of a list into our empty list, and we will find the maximum of it. That's it. That's so simple, guys. So for that, let me create one function that is a def max difference, or function name is max difference. It will take two parameters. One is the length. Second thing is the array. It will take two parameters. First of all, we need to get one empty list. That's it. L. And we need to have one loop for I range. It will iterate through the length of list. That is the lang. Then we will append the each and every difference between the adjacent elements of a given array into our empty list. That's what we are going to do. Append. What is our array? Array of I minus array of I plus 1. So for this we definitely need minus 1, because we do get array index out of boundary. So for that, we done with, we'll append all difference into our empty list, and what we left with the max value. So return max of L. That's it. We are done with like. Let me check. First of all, we need to take the length size, which is an integer type. Next, we need to take one list. So that's L for int I, for I in input dot split. So that's it. And we need to call above function. So when, because we are returning, so we need to print function is a max difference. It takes to augment. First is a size, comma, second is a list L. So that's it. Let's print. Let's run this program. It asks me to give the size. First is 5, then my array elements are 10, 11, 7, 12, 14. See guys, I'm getting 4. The characters I'm getting. So in examination, you don't need to write these steps. You just need to write these 4 lines. That's it. These 4 lines you need to write. Uh, these lines it's already given to the system compiler. It will take automatically. You need to write these lines. That's it. This is code in Python. Let's see in our Java. Uh, let's create one function. So this is a max difference Java. So that's it. We have created our class. Let's create one static function. Static it will return one integer value m difference. It will be m. Our function is max difference. It will take 2 inputs. One is the integer type, that is the length. Second one is the integer array. So that's it. So first of all, we need to create one empty array. So that is int. I'll name it as a result array. So it's a new int. The size is to be length. Whatever length we are taking, that's it. For that, after creating an empty array, we need to iterate throughout the array what we are getting and what we are giving to our method, and we'll need to calculate difference between the adjacent elements of a given array. Then we will append those differences into our empty array. Then we will find out the maximum. So that's it. For that, we need one for loop. Int I is equals to 0, I less than array dot length minus 1, I plus plus. So that's it. We are done with. And we need to append differences into our empty array. So that's it. Array of I minus array of I minus 1, sorry, I plus 1. So that's it. We're done with that. Let's print the maximum. So actually we do have a maximum method in Java that's applicable to list. We can use the list over here, or we can use arrays. Though we are using arrays, so that's what we cannot use a maximum function. Either we convert the array into a list, we can use max function. We can go with the sorting function. If we sort, it will arrange the elements in ascending order. At the last, we can find the maximum element. Let's go for it. So for that, I need one arrays package. It has a sort function. It will take a array. So that's it. Result. That's it. I need to return the maximum. So return uh, result of result dot length minus 1. So this is the last element, which is a maximum element in our empty array. So that's it. Let's create our main function. So that's it. And let's take input from the user. For that, we need scanner object. SE is equals to new scanner system dot in. So for that, first of all we take integer, there is a length, that is a sc dot next int. So next thing is we need a array, so that's int array, int array is equals to new int, that is the length for for int is equals to 0, I less than len I plus plus. For that it's like array of I is equals to sc dot next int. So we're done with the elements, so we're done with the taking array. We left with the calling the function, although we are returning some value. So if we return some value, we need to print system dot println. Our function is m difference. So it will take two parameters. One is a len, the second thing is a array. Array. So run the application. We are getting a scanner. We are getting one error. Next int the scanner object max description. Yes, again, what is error? Unable to fetch. So I think this is the previous one. I think task me to size, that is a 5. Task me to elements. First one is a 10, 11, 7, 12, 14. So it is our answer. So that's it. We are done with the problem. In Java also you don't need to write these things. It's already inbuilt. The compiler will take. You just need to care about these lines. That's it. If you write these lines, it's enough. It will give the correct answer and it will pass all test cases. So that's it, guys. Guys, here is the second question. The question is about to find the total fit. You given with the two inputs. So first input is the length of array and second input is the array elements. So that's it. He given us some explanation. First parameter 5 is the size of the array. Next is the array of measurements in inches. So these are measurements are in inches and the total number of feet is 5, which is calculated as under. It means these are measurements which are in inches. What you need to do, like you need to convert these inches into feet, and uh, at the last you can sum all feet what you are getting from inches. So that's what your task need to be done. Let's this is also simple. It's done hardly by 4 lines of code. That's it. Let's do coding for it. Guys, I have written some sample input and sample output over here. This is our length of array. These are array of elements uh, which are basically measurements which are in inches. That's what our logic is. So simple, guys. First step is first step is so simple. First step is convert inches to feet. That's what our first step. And second step, sum all feet measurements. That's it. After conversion, you just need to sum of all feet measurements after we are getting after the conversion. So that's it. For that we need to have one function, that is a def. My function name is a total feet. it will take two parameters. First is the length, second thing is the array. So that's it. And I need to have a one. So first thing, I need to have one for loop to traverse throughout the array, that is array. So first of all, what I need to do, like I need to convert inches to feet by dividing inch measurement by 12. We can get a feet. uh, if you divide a feet measurement, sorry, if you divide a inch measurement by 12, your output is in feet, and that's what we are going to perform over here. By doing this, I'll easily get feet. I will easily get feet measurement over here. That's it. I'll get a feet measurement here from it will convert it into inches to feet. So that's what I'm going to get. So what I need to do, like I need to find out the total feet. Means after conversion of each feet from array, I need to sum all feet. So that's it. And for that I need one variable c, and I am summing up at the time of conversion from inches to feet. I am summing into one variable. That's what I am calling it as a c. After conversion, I just need to return it. You can see that's it. That's we are done with the programming. So in questions clearly mentioned that you don't need to write. You don't need to take input from the console. You just need to perform your logic properly. That's what that is enough. So for that case, for timing, I'm not going to write all those things, how to take input from the user. I hope you all of you know. I directly I directly give the what are the values we are going to take. So that's it. I will call the function total feet. It will take two parameters. One is a 5, which is the length of array. Second is a list, which will take my list is 18, 11, 27, 12, 14. So that's it. I'm done with, and let's run this application. So that's it. We are getting. So we'll perform same thing in Java. So here I just created a class and just return. I need to have a one static method to write logic static. It will return one integer value. Is a a function name is a total feet. It will take two parameters. One is the int, there is a length. Second is the array. Sorry, it is an integer type array. Oh, it's my bad. Array. So that's it. I'll take one empty variable over here. It is integer type, and I need to have one loop int a list of array. That's it. I need to convert the measurement from inches to feet. For that I need to divide by 12. So that's it. Then return c. For that I need to have one main method, and I just need to print what I am returning through the function. My function is a total. That's it's what it is. What this happen? It's a total. Totally, it will take 5. My array. So I'll take and the a of 0 string, it's array. So comma comma, so that's it. So run. So that's it, guys, we are getting 5. So that's it. The same, just the implementation of the things are different, but the logic behind the scenes is same. So that's what this is in Python, this is in Java. That's it, guys.